morning, guys. We're back out in the van.
Good morning.
On our way to the Lake District this week. We left pretty early, so we're quite a way up the M6 now, which is quite nice. Friends of ours are coming with us, so we'll see what this weekend brings.
Another sunny day.
Considering we left the fog behind this morning, this blue sky is delicious, that's all I can say. But anyway, we'll show you what we see. We're staying on Ullswater itself. Beautiful campsite, we've been to it before, waterside house, but we'll show you around. We're going to stop at T-Bay services, so I don't know if anybody's ever stayed there before. I'll film a little bit when we get there. See you soon.
In 200 yards, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto High Street. In 200 yards, turn right.
Into this road and it we went down here last time.
Yeah.
Turn right. Continue for 1 mile.
Mountains. Look at it.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Gorgeous. going to walk to Pooley Bridge. It's quite busy. There's quite a few here. Really nice. Nice plot. Apparently, Jesus knows nothing. Or Jesus knows everything, I say. Oh, okay.
Really?
I think it's just one of those Apache ones, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cover access here. Through to the other field. Beautiful view back of the lake. Oh, it's so pretty. So nice. So peaceful.
Very peaceful.
So lovely. But we're going to the pub. We're going to the pub. We need a drink and something to eat. Here we are, coming to Pooley Bridge. So we've walked all the way along the lake. It's about 20-25 minute walk. It's about casually walking. Just taking time. There's a car park here, public car park. No height barrier. I don't know if you get your motorhome in it, but there's no height barrier.
Yeah, you get them at home in there. Because not the parking lanes are big enough.
No, they're not in most places. So.
Yeah.
There we are. Pooley Bridge. Now, here we have two people that are not experienced in paddleboarding. I don't need to paddleboard. Down on your knees. There you go. Bye. We should laugh, but I think it could be a candid camera. 250 quid, here we come. So this is the feeding of the ducks on the beach. Oh my god. Friends! Come on, that's enough.
To the left of that white, what is that white building?
Well, you see all the tents, that's like tents, isn't it? Yeah.
You see where the jet boats are, which is where we went. $15.20 is going to be no good, is it? It's going to have to be the
So we'd like to thank you all for watching. Hopefully we'll see you out about again. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks guys.